Hello! In this clip, I'll be sending you energy to adjust your second chakra to balance it and amplify its energy. If you haven't listened to the clip about what chakras are and how they affect your life and spirit, don't forget to listen to it. It will give you a complete picture of how we can enhance our 7 chakras and how they impact our daily lives. The second chakra is located 3 inches below your navel. The second chakra is associated with emotions, happiness, relationships, and creativity. The energy of the second chakra reflects on your daily emotions. If this chakra is unclean, filled with negative energy, or unable to open, you may experience tension and fear of intimacy. You may lack inspiration or have difficulty communicating with others. However, if the energy in this chakra is strong, you will have better interpersonal skills, a smoother life, enjoy the little things in life, and learn to connect with others wholeheartedly and find inspiration in life. The DY to Earth channel is now open to all levels of membership. Members will receive chakra activation and special energy attributes. If you're ready, let's begin receiving the energy. Now, I'd like you to find a comfortable place to sit or lie down, perhaps leaning back on the couch. Relax. You can pause this clip and come back to it when you find a comfortable place.
And if you're ready, let's start receiving this energy. And if you're ready now, I want you to close your eyes and breathe in slowly and count to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Try it again. Inhale slowly and count to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale slowly and count to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Do this 2 or 3 times. Great. Now you're entering a relaxed state. Relaxation is when we release all thoughts from our minds. Now, only we can tell ourselves that I'm working with the energy and I'm restoring it to myself. This is my time. There's no need to rush. There's no need to take time now. Then tell your subconscious again, I understand, I'm ready, and before I send you the energy, I want you to repeat these words silently. I accept this energy of a higher frequency than light for the benefit, for learning, for discovery, and for the benefit of myself and my own soul. And I also reject all energies of a lower frequency than light. This is giving yourself permission to fully work with the energy. If anything blocks it, it will be harder to receive it. If you allow yourself and declare to receive only higher energies than light, you're creating a simple energy shield. You should do this every time you allow any energy to work with you. Creating this shield means that if the energy I'm sending isn't higher than light, you won't receive it either. And when you're ready, I'll begin sending you the energy. I'll let you know again when the energy transmission is complete. Thank you for this energy. I will use this energy to benefit myself and others. And I ask for grounding energy. Now my energy is flowing efficiently, and you can now open your eyes whenever you want. If you want to see visible results, I encourage you to receive this energy continuously for 7 days. You'll see that changing your life isn't so difficult.
Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and become a channel member to receive the 7 chakra activations and other exclusive energetic transmissions that are specially prepared for members only. If you're ready to go even deeper with a personalized distance healing session, you can visit my website at www.divinetoearth.com. There, you'll find activations, healings, and attunements designed to help you align with your highest energy and light. Enjoy your energy journey, and I'll see you again in the next video. Thank you.